of Boo.
Where are you? There you are. Are you taking your house with you? Is it a mobile home? Daddy, you're breaking the box. I don't think he can figure out how to get out.
I know, you're right to help because he's stuck.
Uh-oh.
Come on.
Where are you?
Look at this way. It's easier if you come out the entrance, baby.
He says, but it's not as much fun.